Good morning. This is our last morning in Airlie Beach. We're heading off to Cairns today, so a bit of a big drive. Just thought I'd show you our site here at Tasman Holiday Parks, Airlie Beach. Nice and tropical, on the smaller side, but it was all we really needed. We spent very little time in the van while we were here. We had tours almost every day. Big day drive today, with the first stop being Lee's Hotel, which is the pub with no beer.
Let's see if we can get a beer there.
We'll see. So we're a little bit perplexed. Apparently we're heading into Wangaratta shortly. Interesting. Let's see. And we have officially gone through Wangaratta.
So confused.
I don't know if we're going to make it to Cairns.
27 degrees, I don't know. And sugarcane, I never knew Wangaratta had sugarcane.
Alright, we've arrived in Ingham in North Queensland, and behind me is the Lee's Hotel, which is the pub with no beer, made famous by Slim Dusty's song, which was based on the poem called The Pub Without Beer by Dan Sheehan. So the story goes that in the summer of 1943, an army group from the USA were travelling to Port Moresby, and the track between Townsville and Ingham took them a lot longer than anticipated, 14 hours in fact, due to the 70 odd river or creek crossings that they were apparently unaware that they were going to have to make. So they roll into town around 2 a.m. and they proceed to drink the pub dry. The next morning, Dan Sheehan, the poet, wakes up, heads down to his local, some 20 miles from his property, and finds that the pub's dry. He orders the only thing available, which is a warm glass of wine, and then proceeds to pen the poem at the back of the pub. And the rest is history. So we're going to head in, have a bit of a look around, maybe a sneaky drink, get back on the road. We've still got 3 hours before we hit Cairns, and we're hoping to get into Josephine Falls to have a little bit of a look. How does the beer at the pub with no beer taste, Ben?
Well, I found some, but obviously it was from the bottom of the cellars out the back, because they're not meant to have any, but they brought it out for me. It tastes just like normal beer.
So we just learnt that this was originally called the Day Dawn Hotel, and it was established in 1875 and ran all the way through to 1960, which is when it became the Lee's Hotel. So we officially just passed the sign that says Tropical North Queensland. So we have arrived in Tropical North Queensland. So we've just stopped off in Cardwell for a quick bit of lunch in the van, bit of a late lunch. And Ben's popped the drone up because we were just informed that there was a croc sighting here maybe 2 weeks ago. So we're hoping that we might see something on the drone footage. Any luck so far, Ben?
Nothing. We've gone about 2 k's away.
Bit of an overcast day here at Cardwell. Yes. Crocodile threat real here in Cardwell.
Nothing yet.
Good morning.
Morning.
This is day one in Cairns. We got in quite late last night. Just had some dinner in the van. This morning we've woken up. It's a bit miserable today, a bit rainy, very humid. Currently it's about 24, 25 degrees. There's an expected top of 28 degrees today. We have had a bit of a slow morning this morning, just had a bit of a sleep in, and now we're gonna head out to Crystal Cascades, which is about a 12-minute drive from our caravan park, which
I'll do it in 10.
The Tasman Holiday Parks, Cairns Cool Waters. We've got some groceries to do today, so a few boring jobs. So we'll see you at Crystal Cascades. Bye.
Bye. So about 150 years ago, they used to get water out of this creek in a 6-inch cast iron pipe. I can see bits of it still in there. Obviously not used today. They duplicated it and put a 12-inch pipe in about 50 years later when Cairns started receiving tourists to the town. And now with 160 residents, those 2 copper pipes aren't used anymore. Not sure where they get their water from now. Perhaps it's a pipe under where we're walking, but anyway, those 2 pipes, you can still see bits of it in the creek as you walk along. So we've been walking around a little bit in the city this morning. Lovely Cairns, the sun's just shining through. We thought we'd come and check out the bay. Everyone talks about the lagoon and the bay. I think we found it, and gee whiz, if it wasn't for the crocodiles, I think we'd be jumping in. Check it out.
Just beautiful.
Also smells like shit.
Well, actually it doesn't smell at all, but
A little bit like mud, I would say.
it's certainly unexpected.
I think it'd be easier to see a crocodile when it's like that too. Anyway, we'll go and have a look at this lagoony thing.
Hopefully there's water in that.
Yeah, maybe.
Alright, so one of our favourite things to make in the van is just pizzas on the Weber. We're doing it the lazy way tonight. We've gone and bought the pizza bases just from Woolies, and we're going to pop some Legos pizza sauce on that, some Primo shredded ham, some pizza blend cheese, chopped up some green capsicum, and just some pineapple pieces. So generally if we're camping, out remote for a couple of days, we'll probably make our own bases, but when we're kind of on a road trip like we are at the moment, it's just easier to get the store-bought bases. So yeah, I'm going to put that together now, and we're going to pop that on the Weber. What temperature do we usually put the Weber on?
220.
220. So we pop the Weber on 220 degrees, warm that up for about 10-15 minutes, and then usually we put these on for about 25 to 30 minutes. Need brute strength to open the tomato paste. Gotta go to my tomato paste opener. Never have enough cheese, right? Voila!